Hello, so I'm gonna show you how to use AlphaEarth, basically access it because it's like the first step. So you're gonna need to go to this website. I put all the link in the description, you just have to follow. So once you are there, you want to register to the Earth Engine, which is basically the platform to visualize and have fun with the Earth. You need to agree to the term of service, basic, up. And when you're there, you want to go to register a cloud project because this is where you're gonna use AlphaEarth on a project. There you're gonna click on create a project, have a random name, the one that you want, like AlphaEarth test for me. Up. So it's creating the project on Google Cloud, and basically it's completely free. If you use it for non-commercial use, we're gonna see that in a minute. So now that the project is active, you want to get started. So I'm gonna go for non-commercial plan. You can use it basically if you're a student or want to do research or you're in the field and want to discover more. It's pretty easy to access. So I'm gonna fill out the form and we can come back after that. Okay, so I finished my form. Now you just want to enable the Google Earth Engine API. It's going to be useful to have access to AlphaEarth in many ways, like on your own computer or just on the code editor of Earth Engine. So now that I have my project, I just want to show you quickly how to access AlphaEarth directly on their code editor because it's the easiest way. So I'm gonna go to this link and go with my account. Now that I am here, I want to load the project that I just created that use the Earth Engine API, just like this. Okay, so now I have my project running on the code editor of Earth Engine, and now I'm just gonna load a simple script that basically gonna get the dataset of AlphaEarth and import it as a layer on this map. So I'm just gonna select a random place, like I don't know, this place, draw a geometry with this tool, like that. And with this script, it's gonna load AlphaEarth on this particular geometry. Because if I want to load the entire Earth with AlphaEarth, it's possible, but it's gonna take a long time because it's really heavy embeddings. So here we go. We have load AlphaEarth. So right now it's not really useful. It's just like some layers of AlphaEarth that is loaded on top of that. But after that, you have a lot of use cases that we're gonna explore on further tutorial. And I put some link on the description with basically some notes and blog of Google about how to use AlphaEarth now that you can access it.